So I got these two boxes, cube shaped heavy boxes. Let's unpack actually. So the background noises. This carton box smells a little bit, I don't know why, and this knife is not sharp. The first part is done. Let's go with the second part, that is I think this was the wrong side. Actually I have to cut through this. Have you seen this line? We have to cut through this line actually, like this. So I have cut off the the surface, and now let's see what items I have ordered. First of all, I have this RoomSpray. Hold on. I have this Biotic Moisturizer, Instant Glow, Brightening, Coconut. And I have this Aer matic. Actually, this is the refill of this one. Let me show you how it works. Like this one, you'll see now it will spray. So basically it cost about 500 to 600 for me. There's a two version. One version is like you can connect it with have you seen the spray? So like this, automatically you can set the time, like just for 20 minutes interval time, 10 minutes interval time, and it works automatically. There's a heavy lithium battery inside, so yeah, you will just automatically set, and that light blinks means it's working. So let me turn it off now. So this is the refill for this. And what else do we have? We have this one, O'Donnell Powerful Fragrance. This is for my bathroom. So 1 2 3 4 items total, and there's one cute little box. Actually it's not cute, it's actually too much heavy. So let's see what's inside. Let's cut out. I actually like one thing about Amazon is that when you order things like 4 to 5 items together, they don't give this wrappers or packets. Packaging is too nice. Like they give a whole bunch of box there, so they put the items also with care. This one is like normal things, but for the delicate things like the electronics or like light and bulbs, they take utmost care. So let's see what's inside this heavy box. Are you ready? Let's see. Like this. Wow, so you look at this, so cute. You see, these are bean bags actually. One price is about 105, so I got 1 2, this is from Parcel actually, garbage bags. So 3 rolls, 4, I got 6 rolls, and per piece is 105. So let me calculate actually. I'm not good at math. So 105 into 6, it's 630. So I got it for about like 300 to 400. So that means 200 discount I got. Anyways, so these were the items. Let's wait for the next video, as we are going to unbox some new items too, because I have ordered more items. So let's, till then, for this video, that was all about the review and unboxing of the Amazon. Thank you Amazon for this beautiful packaging and also this beautiful items. Thank you so much to the subscribers who are watching till now. So thank you so much. Wait till the end.